Hey everyone, so if you're a real estate agent, in this video I'm going to be telling you 7 things you can post on Instagram. 7 ideas to post on Instagram, and maybe I'll talk a little bit about what not to post also. What's important here is to remember this, and I would even pause the video, get a notepad, get a pen, and write this down. It's social media, not, in big bold letters, selling media. Do not sell. That's the biggest mistake I see. All these real estate agents on Instagram and different social media networks, it's always sell. You know, my new listing, check this out. Unfortunately, your new listing is for a very specific person, a general social media follower. There's like a 97% chance they actually don't care at all, okay? They also don't care that you're the best, you're the greatest. That's what everybody does. The key to marketing is to have the viewer, the potential client, okay, the person on the receiving end as the center of the story. So not I'm the best, I sold so much, this, that. You can have some social proof, but the key is to make the buyer the hero of the story and the center of attention, how you can help them. When you're looking at a social media page or thinking about buying something, you want to know, how does this benefit me? You know what I mean? So that's a little bit of information to start. Number 1 is, who are you? So you can post this, you know, if you're gaining followers every few weeks, every month, maybe even more than that or less than that. Who are you? You know, make a post with a nice professional picture and tell some interesting facts about yourself, a story, a couple of different things. Another idea is home inspiration, and what you can do is you can look at the big home inspiration pages, Architectural Digest, all that stuff, and you can repost it and just tag that page, you know, credit that page and post maybe, you know, 2 or 3. Use like an app where you can put 4 and say, what's your favorite bathroom out of these 4 to generate that engagement. Number 3 would be some local information, like maybe you go to a restaurant, a review of the restaurant, recommend local places, local experiences, stuff like that always work really well. 4 is on the job. So this is social proof. So closings, you know, new listings a little bit, that's probably better on the story, but make sure to not go overboard in it. So on the job, right now I'm making a video here. In my case, I could, you know, post to Instagram, making videos, because I'm a real estate marketing consultant. So I would say, you know, doing work right now, this is for YouTube. And PS, check the link below if you want to really accelerate your real estate business. One-on-one consulting with me, we can really explode your presence online. Number 5 is gonna be the most valuable thing I'm gonna tell you today. And there's actually 3 things in here that you really need to know. And I'm telling you, if you can hit all 3 of these at the same time, it is viral content, okay? Challenge assumptions, unique perspective, and tell a story. So when you're making a post, if it has one of those 3 things, it's probably a good post. If it has all 3, it's gonna be a hitter and a winner, okay? Now number 6 is, I said it a little bit earlier, but this or that, you know, and you can even do this if you have multiple listings that are kind of similar, because, you know, like 2 modern new houses, this bathroom or that bathroom, or this front door, you know, porch, or this front porch, and you can compare and see, you know, this or that, or maybe even a listing and say, guess the price, which is interesting. But the trick with that is you want to make sure you really portray a high value, so people are going to be guessing lower, or people are going to be guessing higher than the price actually is. Then when you reveal the actual price, you're like, whoa, okay, it's called, you can use this in all different sales, it's called price anchoring. So you can be like, the house down the road sold for $600, the one on the other side sold for $550, and this one is $399. You're like, whoa, probably watching this video you thought, whoa, because that is price anchoring. And then 7 is home hacks. So I'm sure you've heard of life hacks, home hacks, all those different things. You can go on Pinterest and just kind of, you know, post on social media what you do, some tips, some tricks, some seasonal things, maybe even recommend some products that make it a lot easier for homeowners, you know what I mean? Just kind of like a home inspiration, home hacks, kind of thing on your Instagram page, then people actually want to engage, not sales pitch, I'm the best, call me now, because guess what, that's advertising. Nobody cares, they don't want to see it, they're gonna unfollow you. You want to post really high quality, valuable stuff to show that you're acting in the best interest of the buyer or seller, your potential client, and not just trying to extract as much money as possible. So like I said, link in the description for one-on-one consulting with me, and leave a comment what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much.